Hey guys, what's up? This is Mubin and you're watching SMS Technical. Assalamu alaikum, namaskar, sat sri akal, wanakam, and a very warm welcome to each and everyone. So as promised, I've got the pTron Bassbuds for you all. These pTron Bassbuds are bought from Amazon. With Amazon, I remember in today's video we are going to do a giveaway challenge, and one of the lucky subscriber is gonna get an Amazon voucher. The further details and eligibility of this challenge are shared in the later part of the video, so please keep watching. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing of this pTron Bassbuds. So this is our package that contains our device, and I'd like to tell you all that Amazon has done a great job at delivering this package on time and in a pretty decent condition. Now, talking about the giveaway challenge, the first thing that you'll have to do is follow us on Instagram and Snapchat. The details are mentioned in the description box. Now, talking about the device, it is pretty decently packed and in a very good condition. Now, let's start.
Take it out. Decent packaging. The logo embossed on the package.
The MRP mentioned on the box is $24.99, but we get it for $10.99 from Amazon. It has 4 color variants: the black, the white, the blue, and the green one. The other specifications are as follows. Now, talking about the winner will be announced on the 2nd of January 2021.
Have a look at this device. Okay, let's unbox this device. Okay, here we have the instruction manual, some disclaimer: charging, wireless connectivity.
The case and the buds are placed separately in the box. And talking about the case, as you can see, it is a plastic built case, but it is a glossy finish case, and on the flip side of it we get the charging port, and on the front part you get the brand name or brand logo, and we have 4 LED notifications to show the battery percentage.
Here we have the charging cable.
And we have the charging cable with this device. This is the micro USB charging cable that comes with the device, and there is no charging adapter. You can use your laptop for charging it. We also get 2 extra pair of ear cushions of different sizes, so that the user, according to their sizes, your sizes, can use them.
Okay, and now let's get to the earbuds.
So these are our pTron Truly Wireless earbuds, the Truly Wireless Bassbuds. These are pretty decently built, and at the value of 1099 INR, these are value for money products. Here we have physical buttons on these earbuds. Each of the bud has 1 button. On the other side, that is near the cushion, we have the charging terminals. These terminals get connected to the case and they get charged. There are letter L and R engraved on each of the bud, so that the user can identify which bud goes into which ear. Apart from that, I can say that the case is also a sturdy one, and you can decently get a charge of around 400 milliampere hour, and each bud carries a 50 milliampere hour of battery as well. So coming back to the challenge, now you'll have to ask 10 of your friends to subscribe to SMS Technical YouTube channel, and ask them to write your name in the comment section, so that we can calculate the number and we can decide the winner.
So that is switched off, and that is switched on. You see the error indicator on the earbuds.
Now, to the surprise of users, you can see that pTron has used the magnetic mechanism to keep the buds in place in the case. And as you can see, the magnetic force isn't that great, but surely it will serve the purpose of keeping the buds in the case and avoiding them to get lost. Now, coming back to the challenge, you have to follow us on Instagram and Snapchat, and 10 of your friends should subscribe to YouTube channel and mention your name in the comments so that we can choose the winner here. Now we'll check the charge time of this device. One LED notification, that is around 25%, is left on this case, on this device. We are putting it to charge at around 12:43. At 1:12 we see 3 of the LEDs are lit completely, and at 1:30 all the LEDs are lit, and we have the complete calculation of time here. The later part of this video gives the sound quality of the Bassbuds, so please ignore the noise as we have not used any mic. So here is the sound quality of this device.
pTron Bassbuds are connected. Listen to your favorite Hindi 90s top hits for free. Install
So that's it for today. Thank you all. Let's meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.